Welcome to English Conversation Practice for Beginners. I'm Anna.
And I'm James.
Today, we will spend time together learning English for the restaurant.
Yes, we'll practice ordering food, asking for drinks, paying the bill, and more.
Here are the most common phrases. Can I see the menu, please? I would like. Can I have? I'll have. The bill, please.
Repeat after me slowly. Can I see the menu, please? I would like chicken with rice. Can I have some water? I'll have pizza. The bill, please.
Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant. Here's the menu.
Thank you. Can I have some water, please?
Of course. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I would like grilled chicken with rice.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I'll have a glass of orange juice.
Listener practice. I would like grilled chicken with rice. I'll have orange juice.
Hello, welcome to Burger Town. May I take your order?
Yes, can I have a cheeseburger, fries, and a Coke?
Would you like small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Listener practice. Can I have a cheeseburger, fries, and a Coke? Medium, please. No, that's all. Thank you.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Can I have a cappuccino, please?
Sure. What size?
Large, please.
Would you like a snack?
Yes, I'd like a muffin.
Great. 1 large cappuccino and 1 muffin.
Listener practice. Can I have a cappuccino? Large, please. I'd like a muffin.
Good evening. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, for 2 at 7 o'clock.
This way, please. Would you like water?
Yes, please. Can I also see the wine list?
Of course. What would you like to order?
I'll have the salmon with vegetables.
Excellent choice.
Listener practice. I have a reservation for 2. I'll have the salmon with vegetables.
Welcome. This is a buffet. You can choose any food yourself.
Thank you. How much is it?
It's $15 per person. Drinks are extra.
Okay, I'll have water with my meal.
Listener practice. How much is it? I'll have water with my meal.
Hello, Pizza House. Can I take your order?
Yes, I'd like 1 large pepperoni pizza and 2 colas.
Great. Pickup or delivery?
Delivery, please.
Okay. What's your address?
123 Main Street.
Perfect. It will arrive in 30 minutes.
Listener practice. I'd like 1 large pepperoni pizza. Delivery, please.
Today we learned how to order food at a restaurant, fast food, coffee shop, fancy restaurant, buffet, and takeaway.
Yes, and we practiced many useful phrases. Can I see the menu, please? I would like. Can I have? I'll have. The bill, please.
Homework. Write 5 sentences about what you will order in different restaurants.
That's all for our lesson today.
See you next time.